Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, given that 2 to the power of A plus 2 to the power of B plus 2 to the power of C equals to 148, solve for the value of A, B, C. So we are given this equation and we are asked to find the value of A, B, C. So we have a solution. We are given here, we have 2 to the power of A plus 2 to the power of B plus 2 to the power of C equals to 148. So in this case, we have a power of this number with a variable. So we are going to find the value of this variable. So here we can say divide and multiply both sides by 2 to the power of A. In that case, if we have 2 to the power of A all over 2 to the power of A is the same thing as 1. So that's why we say we should divide and multiply by this. We just like multiplying 1 to both sides. So this will become 2 to the power of A into 2 to the power of A plus 2 to the power of B plus 2 to the power of C, all divided by 2 to the power of A equals to 148 times 2 to the power of A all over 2 to the power of A. In this case, 2 to the power of A will cancel here and 2 to the power of A will cancel here. So here, we will not be able to cancel this side because our intention is for us to make this 2 to the power of A evaluate or simplify this left-hand side. So in this case, this will become 2 to the power of A into 2 to the power of A all over 2 to the power of A plus 2 to the power of B all over 2 to the power of B A plus 2 to the power of C all over 2 to the power of A, all equals to 148. So this is what we have. In this case, this can cancel here and this can cancel here. We have 2 to the power of A into 1 plus 2 to the power of B all over 2 to the power of A plus 2 to the power of C all over 2 to the power of A, all equals to 148. So here we have a number and also have a number to the power of a variable. So here we can recall that when we have A to the power of M all over A to the power of N is the same thing as A to the power of M minus N. So this is what we have. We are going to express this in this format. So this will become 2 to the power of A into 1 plus 2 to the power of B minus A plus 2 to the power of C minus A, all equals to 148. So we have this and we have 148 here. If we find the factor of this 148, we have 148. Factors of 148, we have here 2 will go here, 7, and 2 will go here, 4. 2 will go here, we have here 3. Remember that one, 2 will go here, 7. So here we have 37. So in this case, we have 4 times 37. So we are going to substitute 4 times 37 in the place of 148. So in that case, we have 2 to the power of A into 1 plus 2 to the power of B minus A plus 2 to the power of C minus A, all equals to 4 times 37. So this is what we have. So in this case, we have, this is something like a parenthesis and this one is a parenthesis. We have 2 parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to this or the second one equals to this. Which one is equal to each other? So we are going to look into that. So in this case, if we say let A equals to 2, we substitute the value of A equals to 2. So we have 2 to the power of 2 here. The here will be 4, which is even number. Here, if we add all this, because we have 1 plus all this, whatsoever that we put here, we have 1 here. So the whole of this place will become odd number, while this one it will become even number. So here, these 2 factors here, we have 4 here as even number, and here we have here odd number. 37 is odd number. So what we are going to do is to equate the 2 parentheses, the even number to even number and the odd number to odd number. So here we are going to equate that. So when we equate that, we have the first one, which is 2 to the power of A equals to 4, because equating even number, or we do it this way, we say equate even number parentheses to odd number parentheses. So in that case, we have even number here. 2 to the power of a equals to 4. That means this equals to this. And or we have the second parenthesis, which is 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a equals to 37. That means the second parenthesis here equals to this other factor of 148. So in this case, what we are going to do here, we have here the first parenthesis, which is 2 to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 2, because 4 is 2 to the power of 2. In this case, we have the same base, so we have a equals to 2. So this is the value of a that we've gotten. So now, so the other parenthesis, we have this. So in this case, we can subtract 1 or transpose 1 to the right hand side, or we can subtract 1 from both sides. So this will become 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a equals to 37 minus 1. So in this case, 1 will go here and 1 will go here. So now we have 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a equals to 37 minus 1. We have 36. So we have this. We can simply evaluate this as, because we can represent this in this format. So this will become 2 to the power of b all over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c all over 2 to the power of a equals to 36. So now this is the same thing as we have LCM of 2 to the power of a. So when we have 2 to the power of a here, this here will be 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 36. In this case, we can cross multiply. Here, when we cross multiply, this will become 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 36 times 2 to the power of a. In so doing, so we have this. In so doing here, our value of a, we say here, a equals to 2. So we are going to substitute the value of a as 2 into this. So we have 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 36 times 2 to the power of 2. And also, this 36 is the same thing as 4 times 9, where we have 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 4, or we have, let's start from the bigger number, we have 9 times 4 times 2 to the power of 2, you have it as 4. So here, we can move over to this other side. So we clean this. So as we said, we have here, we have 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 9. We have 9 times, here is 4, we have 4 times 4, which is 4 to the power of 2. So here, we can divide both sides here, or we can divide and multiply by 2 to the power of b. So we say multiply and divide by 2 to the power of b. So in that case, we have 2 to the power of b times, or we have into 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c all over 2 to the power of b equals to 9 times 4 to the power of 2. We can say times 2 to the power of b all over 2 to the power of b. So in this case, this will cancel here and this will cancel here. So now we have this. This is the same thing as having 2 to the power of b into 2 to the power of b minus b plus 2 to the power of c minus b all equals to 9 times 2 to the power 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So here, this will become 2 to the power of b into 2 to the power of b minus b is 0. Then plus 2 to the power of c minus b all equals to 9 plus 9 times 16. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power of b into 1 plus 2 to the power of c minus b all equals to 9 times 16. So if we say we let b, as we assume that b equals to 2, when we put 2 here, we have 2 to the power of 2, which is equals to 4. So here will become even, and here we have 1 here. So anything that we put here, this will become odd. And here, this other side, we all know that 9 is odd number, and also 16 is even number. So what we are going to do is to equate the first product here equals to the second one, which are equal, even, and also that is the second product, which is the parenthesis here, equals to this other side, which is odd to odd. So what we are going to do is to equate even to even and odd to odd. So we have 2 to the power of b equals to 16, or we have 1 plus 2 to the power of c minus b equals to 9. So the first one here, we have 2 to the power of b equals to 16, same thing as 2 to the power of b equals to 2 to the power of 4. So now we have the term base cancel here and this cancel here. Therefore, b equals to 4. So this is the value of b, which is equal to 4. Here we had our a as 2. So what we are going to look for is c from the second equation here. So here we have this. What we are going to do is to subtract 1 from both sides, or we transpose 1 to this other side. So we have, when we transpose this one, we transpose to this other side, we have 2. We are now left with 2 to the power of c minus b equals to 9 minus 1. In this case, 2 to the power of c minus b equals to 8. Therefore, we have this. Here, we can move over to this other side. So we have here 2 to the power of c minus b equals to 8. Therefore, we have here 2 to the power of c minus b equals to 2 to the power of 3. We have the same base here, so they will cancel each other. Therefore, here we have c minus b equals to 3. And here we have a value of b equals to 4. So we are going to substitute this into where we have this. So this will become c minus 4 equals to 3. And we have here, therefore, c equals to, when minus 4 transposed into this other side, we have 3 plus 4. And we have it as c equals to 7. So the value of our c equals to 7, where the value of our b equals to 4, and our value of our a equals to 2. So those are the value of those variables that we have. But we can do a very little check for us to see whether this value of this variable satisfies the equation. We say we have here check, where we have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 148. So in this case, we have 2 to the power of a, our a is 2. So we have 2 to the power of b, our b is 4. Then we have plus 2 to the power of c, and our c is 7, equals to what? Which is 148. So in this case, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So we have plus 2 to the power of 4 here is 16. And also we have 2 to the power of 7 is 128, equals to what? Which is 148. So in this case, if we add 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 128, we have 148. So here we have 148 equals to 148. So what we have on the left hand side equals to what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, our value of a, which is equals to, we can write it this way, our value of a, which is equals to 2, and our value of b, which is equals to 4, and our value of c, which is equals to 7, satisfy this answer and satisfy the question that we are given. These are the value of this variable that we were looking for from the question. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share a video for more interesting topics. Thank you.